Hello everyone, this is Ali with ALTA Racks, and we got the May colors. This is what we're going to run probably for the rest of the summer. Unless there is another video after this, this is what we're going to have in stock. Starting with our OD green. We have it's a olive drab green. It's got I would say a little flat finish. Not super flat, but it's definitely considered a flat finish, a little bit of shine. Then you have your close to safety orange, but this is a typical orange. Couple different sticker colors, it depends who's building them, but this is a gloss orange, pretty shiny, really good as far as viz goes, not getting rear-ended, all that stuff. What we have next is the Texas burnt orange in gloss as well. This is more of a candy. It's a little duller orange, but it's pretty sweet. You have your silver and gunmetal. That's what we call gunmetal. Basically, it's a dull silver, gunmetalish, baby blue. One of my favorites. It's actually pretty sweet looking color here. Pastel, definitely. Angle at it. Got their dragon skin in the silver vein. This is like a texture, glossy. They use this on stuff that's pretty rugged. And the same family, you got your white vein, which is, say, it's like a little bit of off-white with dark silver veins in it. So yep, we got Salmon Pink. Definitely a Salmon Pink. Pretty sweet color. These sell out pretty quickly, believe it or not. It's gloss. This is our Desert Tan. This is straight up military Humvee, super flat. Love it. This is pretty sick, one of my faves. You got your Bumble Bee Yellow or Spring Yellow. It's a gloss. We have flat cherry red. It's a little bit of texture, and it's got that nice flat red color. Say close to the American flag. You got your boring black. Yep, that's what I call it. It's flat. The black we do is pretty flat, but it's black. Yep. Yeah, Semen Gray. Your Semen Gray. This is pretty close match to the Sprinter, the Ford, the Toyota. Say the closest is probably to the Sprinter on the Cement Gray. And then Royal Purple, which kind of looks bluish as well. I think in the sun it would look more purple, but that's the one I'm building for myself, is the Royal Purple with the gold sticker. Hope you're having a great day. Again, this is Ali from ALTA Racks, coming to you with lots of flavors on colors. Remember, the uprights was colored. Everything else is black on the rack. Currently, the baskets are gloss black. Top bar is flat. Bottom bars is gloss, but it's going to a flat. And everything else is just pretty much flat black. If you don't see it on the drop-down menu, put that in the notes. And as far as the color you want, any kind of instructions, we read the notes very carefully. Hope you have an awesome day, y'all. Peace!